What's good, everybody? You're welcome back to another video. If you are new here, please make sure to hit on the subscribe button, make sure to like, and make sure to comment. But if you are not new here, you're welcome back to the channel once again. So I'm just gonna be breaking down this pair, just gonna be analyzing it, and we'll see the way forward. Let's start off with the daily time frame, and this is USDCHF. So with USDCHF, we can currently see price has gained support at this level. Price first gave a support at this level for the first time, and the second time right here, and also getting support the third time right at this point. Now price is moving in a bearish type of pattern and gain a support right at this point. We have our resistance, our support trend line here, and this is our resistance trend line on the daily time frame. Let's move on to the 4-hour time frame to see what price is currently seeing. You can currently see we have price moving in a bearish type of pattern and gaining a support right at this point. Now you can see we have a trend inside a trend. Now price is trending into the downside, and now we have a trend inside the trend. This is what I'm talking about. You can see with price, when price touches this resistance trend line, started to move all the way to the downside up to this support, and now rejecting from the support. Now we are currently retracing or making a correction to the upside before another drop. So with the correction to the upside, first you have to know where the correction will end before you enter the market, where the correction will end, and that's where the Fibonacci comes in. So with the Fibonacci, let's go choose our Fibonacci tool, and let's place it right here to this low. So now you can see here is the highest point, and here is the lowest point where price started to correct to the upside. Now price have corrected to the upside again. Let me take off the Fibonacci. Price has retraced back to the upside again, giving us a nice retracement level or a correction. Now price has currently break out of our trend line where we were supposed to enter the market, but price has also presented us with a reversal pattern, and that reversal pattern is also giving us a confirmation that price will push to the upside, to the downside, and that is the head and shoulder pattern. This is our left shoulder, this is our head, and this is our right shoulder. Let's move on to the 1-hour time frame to see what price is also doing at the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, you can see on our resistance trend line right here, and this is our support trend line right here. Now we can clearly see price has created a left shoulder, a right shoulder, and also a right shoulder right here. Now with head and shoulder pattern, that is this reversal pattern, before you can take this pattern, price has to break out of the neckline. And where is the neckline? This is the neckline. I'm gonna be choosing the tool and then show you where we can locate the neckline. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is right shoulder created here, and this is right shoulder created here. So you can see price has to push all the way to the downside, because we have our left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder, head, head and then a right shoulder right here. Now price has to move to the downside. Now price has break out of our neckline. Here is our neckline. Here is our neckline. So what we are waiting, or what I'm waiting for, is for price to revisit my neckline once again. Visit my neckline once again, and then I will be selling to the downside. I will be selling to the downside. I want price to visit my neckline once again. Here is my neckline, and I want price to visit it once again. As price visit it once again, then I'll be looking forward to sell all the way to the downside. So stay tuned and let's see what happens. See what happens. See you in the next clip. Little update for you guys. So on my trade USDCHF, as planned, as I explained earlier, price came back into where I was supposed to sell, where I wanted to sell. Then I enter my sell right at this point. I wanted price to push all the way to the downside, taking my first profit right at this point, and then my overall profit, or my overall target, was at this point. But as I place my sell to right here, price just moved a little bit in my favor. My stop losses was very low or small. Then I was waiting for it to take, for price to push all the way to this side. So price pushed a little bit in my favor. After price pushing a little bit in my favor, price turned back and then gain a support, a very strong support right at this point. The the bullish market begins. The bullish market begins and push impulsively to the upside, taking me out of the trade. I consider this as a liquidity. I still was holding on with my sales. So later this day, or in the later hours of the day, I was able to catch this trade, and now this trade is currently running in profit right now. You can see my stop loss is placed very nicely and very tight, and I'm looking forward for price to push all the way to here, to this downside. Here is my overall target, and here is my first target. Now I am currently running in a 16 pips right now. I'm currently running in 16 pips right now, and that's very good. I'm going to leave this trade overnight and then see what happens tomorrow. So that's just the update for you guys. I'm currently running in profit. Hopefully this trade push all the way to the downside. Hopefully this trade push all the way to the downside. I want this trade to push all the way to this side, and then completing my 90% rule. For me, that's how that's how my trade is doing. I hope you all was able to get some knowledge in this video, how analyzing the market. Always go with the trend, don't go against the trend. You can see the overall trend of USDCHF is a sell, so your analysis must also present you with a sell trade, or a bearish trade, so that you don't go against the trend. Let's trade with the big people. Always go with the trend. You will always win in the market. Technical price action, and then technical analysis always win in the market. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit down the subscribe button, make sure to like, and make sure to comment. See you in the next video. Bye.